Picture a big ship resting on the calm blue sea. It's carrying people and tons of cargo, yet it doesn't sink. Have you ever wondered how something so heavy can float on the water? Let's explore this fascinating mystery. Imagine you have a bathtub full of water. When you step into it, what happens? The water moves around you, and it rises, right? This happens because you've taken up space in the water. Now, think about the ship as a gigantic person stepping into a huge bathtub, the vast ocean. The ship pushes the water aside, filling the space the ship takes up with its body. Here's the trick. As the ship moves through the water, the ocean pushes back on the ship, trying to reclaim the space. This pushing force from the water is called buoyancy. It's like when you try to hold a ball underwater, and it wants to jump out. Buoyancy depends on the amount of water displaced by the ship. If the ship can displace water equal to its weight, it floats. When a ship is designed, its engineers make sure that it has a shape and structure that can push enough water out of the way to make the buoyancy force strong enough to keep it afloat. Now, let's add another layer of magic. Ships are usually hollow inside. The air they contain helps them stay buoyant, just like a balloon filled with air rises in the air. A hollow vessel decreases the overall weight compared to solid object of the same size. The key idea is that the ship is not as dense as plain metal. Density refers to how much stuff is packed in a given space. The ship's design makes it lighter compared to the water's density, allowing it to float gracefully. Remember this principle by the famous scientist Archimedes. An object will float if it can push away water equal to or heavier than its own weight. Using this knowledge, shipbuilders create fast ships that sail smoothly across oceans, carrying everything from bananas to cars. The next time you see a giant ship on the water, you'll know the secret behind its floating game: buoyancy, smart design, and caring about density. Just like magic, science makes everyday wonders happen.